Hello guys, welcome to Note In this video I'm showing you how you can fix Google Chrome not opening on your device. So let's get started. Before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Note is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of informative and interesting videos like this one. So let's get started. Firstly, what you need to do, you have to close all the recent apps by if there are recent apps, then you have to close the recent app like this. And if your Chrome browser is open, then you have to also close that app also. So after doing all these things, what you need to do, from here you have to firstly open the settings, and then you have to go to your storage section. So it depend on your device that where is your storage section. So in my case, it is in the about phone, and then you can simply tap on the storage button here like this, and then make sure that there is enough space for your files to store. So in my case there is only 1.2 GB. So you can consider that there should be approximately 2 to 3 GB remaining in your device. So make sure that you have enough storage space, and if you do not have enough storage space, you should clean up your storage by cleaning some apps. So after uninstalling some unwanted apps, you can simply clear your storage. So this is the first way. The second way, you have to firstly scroll down and find the apps, and then tap on the apps, then tap on the manage apps here, and here you have to search for the Chrome. When you search for the Chrome, tap on that, and then tap on the storage button here, and then you can see the clear data in the most bottom of this page. Tap on this option, and here it is saying that manage space. Tap on that, and then here you can find the last option, clear all data. Tap on that, and then tap on the OK button, and it will delete all your files, settings, accounts and databases. So it will refresh your app. So simply tap on the OK button. After that, from here you can also clear the cache of your Chrome browser. Then go back to your home screen, and then open the Play Store. From here you have to search for your Chrome app like this, then search it, and here if you can see the update of the Chrome, if you find the Google Chrome update, you can simply update the Google Chrome by tapping on the update button here, and then you will be able to update your Google Chrome browser. So after doing all these things, when you restart your device, and then when you open your Chrome browser, then it will open like that. So that's the way that how you can fix the Google Chrome not opening on your device. So I have shown you the 3 ways by which you can do that. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. See you.